Coach Jen Eden here, founder of the Sugar Freedom Method. And while I love October, and I used to love October for the candy, I've got some really cool video, some clip that I did years ago when my kids were growing up around Halloween candy. So if you've got small kids, uber valuable. And if you don't have small kids but you have problems eating candy, maybe you want to consider some of the tips that I offer around sugar, Halloween, flu season, and thank you for being here.
Well, if you've ever noticed, the cold and flu season seems to coincide with holidays such as Halloween.
That's true, and some health-conscious moms are trying to find ways to keep their kids healthy without all the candy. Mary Musi is reporting on today's Long Island Naturally.
Trick or treat!
Come Halloween, some experts say the real trick is to stay healthy despite all that candy.
And I just call it the beginning of the sugar eating season.
Certified health coach Jen Eden says from Halloween to Valentine's Day, we're too often tempted with candy, cakes, pies, and chocolate.
So when you have that much sugar for that many weeks on end, I mean, you're bound to pick up a virus.
So how does Jen handle the onslaught with her own kids?
And what do we usually do? We have one a night, is that the agreement?
Jen feeds her kids before they trick or treat and gets them on board with the house rules.
Does your mom let you eat the candy?
Not all of it. Sometimes, usually we trade in and she gives us money.
Meanwhile, Jen only gives out organic candy.
It doesn't have the chemicals that drive me nutty. For sure, the food dyes. That has just been proven to affect children.
10-year-old Luke says it's a night out with friends and a chance to play games like Mummy and wrap up the grown-ups in toilet paper.
Okay, I think I'm done.
The minute your nose starts to run or you wake up tired, we just know not to have any sugar.
Jen says you can also dress up like a witch and make some of that candy disappear.
I'm not sure why we focus so much in this country on the candy. I think the dressing up and just being kids and having a good time, I am all for it.
In Huntington Station, I'm Mary Musi, News 12, Long Island.